Hi, Gemini. Let's pick up on your energy and find out what you need to know, what's happening. I'm just going to sage the area, make sure the energy's clear. Okay. This is going to be for the second half of October going into November, Gemini. Find out what messages spirits have for you. Looks like we got the energy very clean. Okay. What does Gemini need to know, spirits? I'm going to shuffle 3 more times, Gemini. Try to put your intention of what you want to know into the cards as I'm shuffling. Okay. What does Gemini need to know, spirits? The first thing we have is the 7 of Cups. I'm going to go back and clarify the cards after I get everything laid out, Gemini. The first thing we have here is the 7 of Cups. I'm seeing a lot of options sitting in front of you right now. There's a lot of new doors that will be opening up for you. There's new love with the Ace of Cups. And the Queen of Wands is here. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel like this Queen of Wands is you showing up right here. Someone's very attracted to you. What does Gemini need to know, spirits? Okay, so the Tower is here. So something was not built on a stable foundation. It's getting ready to fall down. There's either that or there's sudden shocking news that you're not expecting. Okay. But there's going to be a huge significant change in your life, Gemini, and it may have something to do with the choice that you're making here, because I'm seeing a lot of open doors in front of you. The center of your reading is the Emperor, and this is Aries energy. This is also, I feel like you're very in control right now. I have Scorpio energy here with the Death card. So definitely something new is coming into your life and something's over. What does Gemini need to know, spirits? I'm getting like some pretty strong energy here, Gemini. Strong changes ahead. The Page of Swords. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. This is someone looking for information. It's like a student. The Hierophant, Taurus energy is here. Some type of a commitment. And we have the 2 of Pentacles, so a decision. So let's go up here and let's clarify all of these options. A lot of options. Why is the 7 of Cups here? This could even be causing confusion. We have Sagittarius energy with Temperance, and I have Aquarius energy here strongly. But I feel like you're being very patient. It's like you have a lot of options, but you're being patient because there's one particular option here that you want. It's a wish. And this could have something to do with work. Okay, because I feel like you're building something here. You're working on something. Why is the Ace of Cups here? I'm seeing you healing over something too. There's someone here, and I don't feel like it's you. There's someone here who's really up in their head about you, Gemini. They keep thinking about you a lot. This person is really struggling right now with the Five of Swords. I'm feeling like this is really conflicting energy. Like there could be new love or something new that's come into your energy where you're having to stick up for yourself, because I see someone here who's really cold, harsh with their words. And there's this feeling of feeling exhausted with the Nine of Wands. You're feeling very exhausted, tired, ready to drop this burden. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Which is why the Tower's here. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Pisces energy is here strong. On the bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles. And I see someone here who could have walked away, but they're showing up here very slowly. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn. I'm seeing you looking at the big picture here, taking a time out, really up in your head, looking at the big picture of this person or this option. It could be even a job. It's either a job or a person that has become a heavy burden. And you making a judgment call here. The judgment call, the Tower is here. So it's taking it down because it's just a burden. Why is the Tower here? I'm seeing you getting exciting news, Gemini. It's going to change everything. See, this Knight of Pentacles is showing up. There's something showing up in your energy that's been very slow coming, but here it comes. It's showing up. This could be a person, or this could be a job or something like that. This is good news. It's something that you want. And I see it's going to change everything. It's changing everything for the better. Sometimes we go down on the wheel and sometimes we're up. You're going up on the wheel. It's your time. There's a brand new beginning happening for you. This is a good tower. And like I say, for some of you, this is a new job or a raise. Or you becoming the boss. Why is the Emperor here? You're taking control. I'm seeing you, there's a lot of financial gain here in your reading. It's earned success, but you're walking away from something, Gemini, because it's not built on a stable foundation. Something up here has become a burden. And I'm seeing as soon as you make a judgment call to drop this energy, whatever it is up here, it's like there's earned success for you. And unexpected money, something long term. This could be a new home. It's something that's going to last though. But it has to do with you making a head over heart decision and moving into calmer water. It's like you already have all this. I'm seeing you. It's earned success. You haven't reached the other shore yet. You're like still in this big body of water, which is emotions, and you haven't reached the other shore yet. But there's something huge coming in for you. Why is the Death card here? I feel like you're going through a death and a rebirth. Yeah, there's an option up here that you chose that I feel like you don't want it anymore. Because I see something new that's better coming in. I'm hearing better, something you can depend on. And the High Priestess is here, so your intuition's right on point. I feel like you know this. And that's why you're rejecting some type of an offer here that someone's trying to hand to you. And then we have this Page of Swords. Why is the Page of Swords here, spirits? I'm seeing you. There could be something that has to do with a legal matter here. A divorce, maybe. You could be dealing with a Libra, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. I'm seeing you walking away from something that's not easy to walk away from. But with the Three of Swords, there's heartbreak here, there's pain. But I'm seeing in the center, I'm seeing you getting your justice here. There's some type of information that was found out here. And we have the King of Pentacles here. Why is the King of Pentacles here? I have the Lovers here, which is your energy. I see like a lot of monetary gain here is what I'm seeing. But I feel like someone put you in a third-party situation. I feel like you're working on your money. Like you could be starting up your own business or something with the King of Pentacles. But there's like this energy of, I see you here looking really, really good. You're throwing things out of your life that you don't need anymore. Taking care of what you need. Taking care of yourself. And then we have the Hierophant here. Why is the Hierophant here? This is taking a lot of courage, inner strength. There's something about some type of a committed relationship where this is an energy that could come in and out of your life. Like, it's not a stable energy. There's instability here with this person. 1 minute, it feels like you can depend on them, like they know what they want. And the next minute, they're doing something flaky with the Knight of Wands energy. Seeing them returning again. And then we have the Two of Pentacles. Why is the Two of Pentacles here? The Queen of Cups. The Ace of Pentacles. The Six of Wands is here. So this is success and victory. This can be public recognition. I'm seeing a lot of success and victory coming into your life. It's like it's being handed to you right here with the Ace of Pentacles. There's a huge blessing coming your way that I'm seeing you celebrating. It's a brand new start for you. But I feel like you could be dealing with a Cancer. You're kind of fighting an inner battle about moving forward here. There could be arguments with this person too. But Gemini, you show up here as the Queen of Cups. This type of energy, very loving, giving, and kind. And the energy I showing up here for you is someone who just goes back and forth. Sorry, Gemini, I lit that sage on fire a little bit too much and it's got me choky. But we have clear, clean energy. Okay, let's get a couple Moonology cards for you. What does Gemini need to know, spirits? You need to know the whole book. The whole thing's falling out. What does Gemini need to know? It's a win-win situation. A personal issue reaches a resolution. And hold your vision. Communication is key. And on the bottom of the deck, I have emotions are running high. Okay, Gemini, so these are the messages I have for you. I hope they help and bring you clarification. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you like the way I read, please subscribe so you can find me again easily. And I send you lots of love and light, Gemini. Namaste.